is also very amazing today on the 4th of October 2023. Here's, this is on Fredrikinkatu, Fredriksgatan 20 Stekes B. And you can also watch the Stekes A, which has a Valmestern, but this is Kone with MP4 fixtures. They're different, added ones here. With 4 ports and beautiful white buttons by MP4. These are 3 rides. Been switched in 2025, this number is H20445. Was built in 1937, turned 85 years old in 2022, and the both official languages Swedish and Finnish.
Yeah.
Oh, this elevator has a very beautiful camera also.
Yeah.
But I think this wood is renewed, but it's still beautiful. To the first floor is the 3rd ride.
Yeah.
Sorry.
All call buttons have been replaced, unfortunately.
Oh yes, that's unfortunately by his after.
Yeah.
But luckily at least the camera is
Yeah.
I like this white before. That's the early before.
Yeah.
I think it's not like the very beginning of most of them were white.
Yeah.
Like 34 to 37 was early.
That's